In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add the square meter symbol m squared in Google Sheets so your data looks clean, clear, and professional. Start by clicking on the cell where you want to insert the unit. This could be next to a number like 120 or used in a column header like area. First, type the letter M as usual. Now comes the important part, adding that small raise to. If you're on Windows, press and hold the Alt key, then type 0178 or 178 using the numeric keypad on the right side of your keyboard. When you release Alt, the superscript 2 will appear, giving you m squared. If you're on a Mac, press Option plus Shift plus 2 and you'll instantly get the squared symbol. It's quick and works in most cases. If shortcuts don't work on your device, there's an even easier method. Simply copy this symbol m squared and paste it directly into your Google Sheet. You can then reuse it anywhere by copying that cell again. Another simple option is to go to Insert, then Special Characters, search for superscript 2 and click it to insert. Once you've added m squared, you can use it in labels, headings, or next to values like 250 square meters to make your spreadsheet look more professional and easier to understand. If this helped you, drop a comment and subscribe for more simple Google Sheets tips.